Hi everyone, my name is Steve and I would like to welcome you on behalf of Drains Unlimited. In my hands I have part of our unique system called DUW Series recessed linear wall drain. The innovative design of these drains makes them easy to install, clean and maintain. These are the most hygienic linear drains on the market. Since the introduction of the plumbing system, plumbing hardware has changed, but not so much the drains, until now. Our wall drain has a removable tile-in grate, held by industrial-grade magnets, navigating it to fit perfectly into its position. As simple as this, you're able to achieve an aesthetic look and an eye-popping reaction from those who have never seen this before. Our wall drains come in a variety of sizes, and as you can see, they blend into your shower's ambience perfectly. Inspired design, hygienic performance, and bold statement. This is the Drains Unlimited DUW Series recessed linear wall drain.